Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this math question. Try to solve by your own and feature in our sorted list. If you comment, I will give you a shout out here. Coming to our question is 3 divided by 9 divided by 4 divided by 12. So all operations are division. So what we have to do according to PEMDAS, as you know, division, but here all operations are division. So in that case, we have to solve from left to right. So first we have this operation 3 by 9, which is nothing but what we can write here as here like 3 by 9. Now we will rewrite again 4 times 12. Okay. So we can simply cancel out 3 times 1, 3 times 3. That is 1 by 3 divided by 4 divided by 12. Okay, actually I will solve in a two way, okay, if necessary or nothing. Now we will apply here the KCL. We have to keep this 1 by 3 as it is. We have to change division into multiplication, and 4 will be given to 1 by 4 divided by 12. Okay, now we will rewrite here 1 by 3 times 1 by 4. Again we will apply here the KCL. Here let me apply KCL. So this 12 will become 1 by 12. Okay, this is like that. 1 by 3 times 1 by 4 times 1 by 12. And again we will simply like 1 times 1 times 1 and 3 times 4 times 12. Again 1, 4 times 3, that is 12, 12 times 12. Actually 12 times 12, which equals to 144. This is nothing but the value of 12 square. Okay, so we will simply write here 144. So here 1 by 144 is the right answer. Try to solve this math question. Subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.